Today we're going to be installing the Jiminy Picket, our 4-foot tall picket fence, directly in front of our plain Jane and the Steady Freddy. Let's get started. Today we're going to be using our small pipe anchors because we have 4-foot tall posts. Before we drive our pipe anchor into the ground, we're going to place our leveling donut over the top of the pipe. That way, if the top of the pipe anchor gets mushroomed after being driven into the ground, we'll still be able to position our donut where necessary. For this project, we're going to be using our gas-powered post pounder to drive our pipe anchor down into the ground. These picket caps are designed to fit tightly into the top of the picket, but we give you some glue just in case one's a little bit loose. If you choose to use it, you don't need a lot, just a little dab will do you.